Welcome to this video on the Supreme Court case, Palo versus Spouses Baquirquir, GR number 228919, promulgated in 2023. The core rule established in this case is that a general clause authorizing foreclosure, whether judicially or extrajudicially, does not grant the express special power of attorney required under Act number 3135. This video examines the legal conflict between general contractual stipulations and the mandatory statutory requirements for extrajudicial foreclosure as governed by Act number 3135. Lilsviminda Palo obtained a loan from Takeshi Nakamura, secured by a real estate mortgage over land in Cebu. The mortgage contained a standard clause allowing for foreclosure in accordance with law. Upon default, Nakamura initiated an extrajudicial foreclosure without a separate special power of attorney. Following the loan and mortgage agreement, the creditor initiated an extrajudicial sale, which the spouses Baquirquir won at auction. When Palo failed to redeem the property, a new title was issued to the Baquirquirs. However, the Supreme Court eventually reversed the lower court decisions and voided the sale. Understanding this dispute requires a look at the legal framework, specifically Act number 3135, which dictates the statutory conditions for extrajudicial foreclosure in the Philippines. Judicial foreclosure under Rule 68 is a general remedy under court supervision. In contrast, extrajudicial foreclosure under Act 3135 is a special remedy that requires an express special power to be included or attached to the mortgage deed, explicitly authorizing the mortgagee to sell the property. Section 1 of Act 3135 is clear. Extrajudicial foreclosure is only valid if a special power is present in the mortgage deed. Conducting such a foreclosure without this express authority renders the proceeding null and void from the beginning. In its ruling, the Supreme Court held that the phrase, quote, judicially or extrajudicially in accordance with law is merely a generic reservation of remedies. It does not constitute the express delegation of power needed to sell property outside of judicial intervention. This table compares a general foreclosure clause against an express special power of attorney. Only the latter is compliant with Act 3135, whereas the former only allows for judicial foreclosure under Rule 68. As a result of the ruling, the foreclosure was declared void, the certificate of sale and the resulting title were cancelled, and the mortgagor's original title was ordered to be reinstated, without prejudice to a proper judicial foreclosure. For legal practice, these takeaways are key. Ensure mortgage templates contain explicit SPA provisions, remember that statutes on foreclosure are strictly construed, and if an express SPA clause is absent, creditors must pursue judicial foreclosure under Rule 68. Thank you for joining this case lecture on Palo versus Spouses Baquirquir. We hope this overview of GR number 228919 clarifies the requirements for foreclosure authority. These are the sources for the images used in this video.